One thing that will surprise you to know is that about 90% of Nigerian businesses are running at a loss. And I wonder why a person that is running his business at a loss will be hiding from filing from tax. That might be the situation with you. Most normal businesses from at the beginning, first 3-5 years, are actually running at a loss. But because most people do not keep good records, you think that when they assess you, if your records were to be properly kept, you would have made a profit and you would have had something to pay. Sorry, your real problem is your record keeping, not that you owe a single tax. Now let me ask you, how many times do you run out of cash personally? How many months did your money last till the end of the month? If personally, the one you are very, very careful about, you are always running out of cash, you're always in debt, and you are always in terrible situations, but you are very mindful of what you do, how much more your business, which most people are not very mindful of, they would obviously be running at a loss. That's why you need to understand how to render an account of your business. For most people, if you were careful enough to keep your records, keep your receipts, keep everything, you realize that you have no reason to run from tax. I see a lot of businesses that, as a chartered accountant and as a financial expert for over the years, I know that they made nothing, but they will end up paying tens of millions in tax very soon, simply because they don't know how to keep records. If your personal finances are like this, then imagine how your own business finances are. With all the principles and so on that you guide your personal finances with, you are still running at a technical loss personally. Most individuals in Nigeria even have negative net worths. How much more the businesses that they run, that they are not the only ones influencing the flow of finance in the business. People are incurring expenses on your behalf. A lot is happening, energy bill is so high, and the rest of them. The truth is, you're going to pay tax because you're careless with your records. And you know, one thing about tax is that the real tax is the smallest aspect of it. When the revenue authority makes money, assuming they make 100 million, only 10 million is the actual tax that they're telling you that you should have paid if you paid it when you were supposed to. 90 million is penalty and interest. So imagine having to cough out what, if you really knew, you would have proved that you never swallowed. So probably people will have to cough out their intestine because they didn't really eat what they'll have to pay tax for. This is a word for the wise. Better learn to keep your records, keep evidences of them, and do your tax filing at the right time. When your business begins to blossom, that's when you begin to pay tax. But for the careless ones, even when you made losses in millions, you will still pay taxes in millions on top of it, just for your carelessness. This is an enlightenment for you. Once again, I want to remind you, I am Onyebuchi Magawu, the financial guru. Always remember to subscribe and share what you see us do. Hope to see you once again on another episode. Don't forget to comment and like. Bye for now.